In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Chrome profile with a password. This can be a great way to ensure that your browsing activities and personal information are not accessible to anyone who might share your computer or device. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to open Google Chrome. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Up there, you'll find a little icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon opens up Chrome's main menu, which contains options for managing your browsing activities, settings, and additional tools. Click on this icon to open the menu. After you've opened the main menu, move your mouse over to the option that says Extensions. This option might be located somewhere in the middle of the drop-down list. Once you hover over it, another submenu will appear. From these new options, you want to click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This store is your go-to place for finding and installing useful extensions, which are small software programs developed to customize your browsing experience. With the Chrome Web Store now open, you're going to use the search bar located at the top left side of the page. Make sure to type in these exact words, Chrome Lock. This search will yield several results, but the one you're looking for is titled Set Password for Your Browser, Chrome Lock. These extensions add a layer of security by allowing you to set a password for your Chrome browser, effectively locking it from unauthorized access. Once you've found the correct extension, go ahead and click on the button that says Add to Chrome. This will prompt a confirmation window asking whether you're sure you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm your decision. Installing extensions is generally fast, and you'll see a notification once it's successfully added. Now that the extension is installed, you need to activate the lock. You can do this by clicking on the extension icon located right beside the search bar in Chrome. It's typically represented by an icon relevant to the app. Upon clicking, a new window will appear, prompting you to set a password. Make sure to choose a strong yet memorable password to keep your browser secure from unwanted access. After you've set your password, Chrome will automatically close. This might seem a bit surprising, but don't worry. The next time you try to open Chrome, you'll be prompted to enter the password you've just set. This ensures that anyone trying to access your Chrome profile will need your permission before continuing. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a password protection for your Google Chrome profile. Keep in mind that while this adds a good layer of security, always remember your password or keep it in a secure place so you don't lock yourself out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly secured browsing experience.